Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning into this month's Screener newsletter. My name is Callie Ochanicki, and I'm a member of the Customer Success team. The start of 2019 brings up the topic of earnings as many large companies release their earnings shortly into the new year. Recently, we have seen the deterioration of the S&P 500 as the markets have faced high levels of volatility. Investors tend to shift their focuses to the reported earnings at this time of the year, and when powerhouse companies such as Apple and Amazon are on the decline, earnings beats and guidance become crucial. Today we are going to jump into the equity screener tool to create a universe of stocks within the S&P 500 who have conquered their earnings estimates despite fragile markets. We will add some metric filters to examine EPS and EPS estimates, and we will finish with a scoring model to rank earnings growth. Now let's get started. First, let's hover over Tools and click on Equity Screener. Next, let's modify the equity universe. If we click on Modify Equity Universe and then select Indices, we will then intersect the S&P 500. You will see that this took our equity universe from over 21,000 securities to 505 securities. We are going to click Remove Duplicates at the top, as this will eliminate duplicate share classes from our universe and keep focus on the share class with larger share volume. Next, we are going to add some quantitative filters. First, let's click on Add a Metric Filter. We will start off by using an equation. We are going to use quarterly actual EPS, which will show the EPS reported last quarter, and then select the drop down to less than. We will compare that to EPS estimates for current quarter, which shows what analysts expect to be reported. We are using this filter because we want companies who are predicted to increase their EPS. We will click on Add a Metric Filter again, and we'll use an equation once more. This time we will use EPS estimates for current quarter and set the drop down to less than and use EPS estimates for next quarter. We are inserting this filter because we want to scan for companies whose continuation for high earnings is consistent in the future. I'm also going to add in a metric column just for the sake of this video. In my metric column, I'm going to use quarterly EPS surprise. Companies with a positive earnings surprise beat expected earnings for that quarter. The last step in our process today is creating a scoring model to rank our stock universe we have created. If we select Scoring Models, we are going to name our scoring system Earnings Score. We're going to leave our scoring system as a rank, with 1 being the best score based upon our weighted metrics. The first metric I'm going to add is Normalized Diluted EPS quarter-over-quarter growth. I'll select the drop-down option as higher is better and null values to mean. We're going to weight this in at 50%. Normalized EPS helps decide possible future earnings per share because it excludes any large one-time expenses that could possibly skew the results. And we want companies with large growth from quarter to quarter. The second metric I'm going to add is Normalized Diluted EPS, 5-year growth, with higher value is better and null values to mean. Stocks with a high EPS growth rate over a long-term period signify how quickly a company can expand its EPS. This will also be weighted in at 50%. Once we select Add Score column, we can go ahead and organize our universe based upon the scores given. We can see here that the stock PRU ranks in first according to these specifications. If you have any questions regarding the screen I've created today, feel free to reach out to your support contact for more information. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for further screener newsletters.